In today's topic, I shall explain UV mapping. What is it? Why do we need it? Including the process that goes into it, starting with UV mapping. UV mapping is the process of taking 3D geometry and flattening it into 2D. The flat shapes of our 3D geometry will then be used as a layout for creating textures via image editing software. The reason we UV map our 3D model is to prepare it for the texturing process. The textures will then be projected onto the 3D model thanks to the UV map that we've made. To make a UV map, we have to look at our 3D model and find appropriate places to mark our seams. Seams are cuts that we mark onto our model in order to unwrap or unfold the geometry. Here's an example of a cube being unwrapped. Let's unwrap a cylinder to illustrate how certain shapes are UV mapped and where the seams are marked. Marking seams in the correct spots will allow us to have proper UV islands. A UV island is a flat piece of geometry that we see on the UV layout whenever we unwrap our 3D model. UV islands may look like this. They sometimes appear all connected as one island or separated into multiple islands. It is important to have spaces between each island so that it won't overlap or cause odd artifacts when projecting the textures onto the 3D model. Mirrored or duplicated objects will share the same UV islands. I'll show you a more complex example to demonstrate where the seams should be marked. It seems to me that you've reached this far into the video. I have a question for all of you. What is the most difficult thing that you find in UV mapping? Let me know your answers in the comment section because I'll leave a pinned comment there containing that question and I'd love to know your answers. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, consider supporting the channel by subscribing, hitting a like, and leaving a comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.